All right, YouTube. So I'm over here coming checking out this shop a second time, but this time I got my good friend David, my
You doing?
carpenter, with me. Man, we done remodeled some different businesses. Oh, you gonna dap me up? Oh, you
Yeah.
know that's my boy, man. But we gonna measure out the shop. We gonna consider some flooring and stuff, right?
Yep.
Look at the office, because I know you want to make it nice. I
Yeah.
got a couple ideas.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and let's get up in here and see. So the only thing I really don't like about it, like I said, is this: you see all these cars. It's a lot of cars. Definitely somebody right here doing body shop stuff. As y'all can see, it take up a lot of space. But this is the building.
It's that one shop stop.
Yeah, I mean he got a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off real quick. We're gonna get back with y'all, and because I gotta unlock this. They got this password on there. Let me get this real quick.
Ay, yeah, yeah. Not myself. Wow. See how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I didn't. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Gotta like wow. Whoa. From racks to the riches. My base is still hitting, been hoping and wishing. These boys politicking, my pockets can't kick it, but still by my business. Yeah. I'm still with the fitness, my perfect attendance. The reason I'm in it, been needing them digits, been feeding the vision, can't stop at the finish. I'm cracking the whip, look at the.
I don't know, man. So this the office. We definitely gotta do something about
Redo
this
the
flooring.
floors. Yeah. Rip this shit up. Redo them.
Mm-hmm.
Put some click in. Make it nice.
Mm-hmm.
We run it this way. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe run it this way.
You know we gotta up the lighting though. I don't know what
Oh,
these
yeah.
lights putting out, but that no, that's not enough.
Get the AC going too.
Woo, that's why I'm liking too, because a lot of the offices, the AC don't get fresh air, and that's why I'm like, that's a plus on this one.
Yeah. This is
That's
nice.
a plus.
Yeah. It'd be nice to have AC in here.
I was say I done did this enough times where I know I don't know everything, but I know that. See, this is what I was telling you though with the truck. I don't know if I better get it in here.
Yeah.
Because I was looking at this bathroom. I don't think this bathroom is 10 by 10. That should be about 14, but it look like it's a 12.
Shit. Not even 12, bro. It's 10-4.
Mm-hmm. I need at least a 14, I think.
14.
I think that's what I'm accustomed to. I don't think that bathroom is 10 by 10, just looking at it. I know in Tarrant County, the normal is a 10 by 10.
Yeah, we're at 6 foot.
I say my numbers is pretty good, huh, bro?
Yeah, you're pretty fucking close, man. Not bad. Might as well say 6 by 6.
Okay, 6 by 6. Now this office, I can't tell you what this office is square foot. I'm a little off on here. What you getting though, man? I know it's a perfect square. It's damn near whatever it is, it's symmetrical.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably gonna be like a 14 by 12 or something, not too far apart.
We're at 11-4.
Yeah, so I was assuming probably by 12.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me get 14. I don't know why I get excited about this type of stuff. I know what we can create.
12.
12 by 12.
Yeah.
So it's about even.
It's 144 square feet.
144.
Mm-hmm. 12 by 12 to 144 square feet.
Okay.
And 6 by 6.
6 by 6. Let me write this stuff down real quick.
Dude, I don't know about these stairs, though.
Yeah. That's why I say I think they trashed the building out when they got it.
Yeah. They got pissed off and broke it. They ripped this off the wall. See it, make sure it don't fall.
Hey, man, do this shit at your own risk.
Mm-hmm.
I do like they got storage.
You fall, you're fired before you hit the ground.
I do like they got storage. I was like, it almost like they got a grow room up there, honestly. It looked like they was growing weed in here.
Dude, I think they're doing something in here.
I don't see why you would want a room like that unless you got a hydroponic setup.
Yeah.
And you see, they probably was an outlaw biker. I'm going up these stairs.
Yeah. Don't fall.
We don't fucking know if this shit's safe. Oh, yeah, dude. I think this shit was a fucking weed room because they got electricity running through here. These racks.
Yeah.
I don't know why they would want this up here.
Yeah.
And it's crazy because they got this fuzzy shit on it.
Yeah. I was trying to see if you see any particles,
Ooh, I done got up here and I done got scared.
It's trying to get hot. This is a shag carpet.
Yeah.
You hear it creaking?
Let me go ahead and get off this real quick because I can't do too many things at one time. That wasn't your water, was it?
No.
I gotta crack the door so we can get a little bit of air up in here.
Mhm.
I mean, these are fairly new though.
Yeah.
You can tell these
It's
probably
not
number
bad, really.
about 5 years old tops.
Yeah. It wouldn't be a bad little shop. Definitely need some redo the floors in the office.
Because I would want to put a lift in here somewhere.
Mm-hmm. You got room for that?
That's what I'm thinking though. That's why I don't know how many
You'd
square
have to
feet I would
be out here.
need.
You'd have to put a lift over here, huh? Because it's the highest point of the building.
I would have to put it somewhere where I could go up and down. It need to have at least 6 inches of concrete.
You'd have to at least be somewhere right here. You know what I'm saying? It's because the height of the building. You don't want to go down there because then the roof goes like this. It slants down.
Because like I say, I know I'm losing square footage, shop space.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got to get the electrician to put in a 3-prong setup if I do this one for my compressor. So my compressor probably sit right here.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, the only place for a shower, if you wanted a shower, we'd have to build a platform, come out of that back wall, come off that vent, come over, throw a P-trap, and get you a shower pan put in there. That way you don't have to jackhammer no floor up or nothing, you know.
Yeah.
A lot cheaper that way. Hopefully that vent's right behind that toilet.
You say you wanted the what was it that you were trying to get? You wanted the sink to be on this
Yeah,
wall
I was hoping the sink
or
was
on this
on this
wall?
back wall. Yeah, that way I would knew I had the pipe right here. Then we could just stub straight out.
Mm-hmm.
Now, like we have to do, we're going to have to come over, come out this, go out that wall, and then come out the side, which is still doable, you know, just a little bit more running.
Like I said, I would like to make this wall wider. That's why I was thinking though, making this room wider,
We could.
just knocking it out. Because like I say, I don't want to take a shower and then get out in this hot ass shop or cold ass shop.
Well, if you do that, we'll just put the shower inside the bathroom then.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can
How
definitely.
much plumbing though would need to be done though?
Just throw cut this. We'd have to pull the toilet, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Cut this back wall open, find the vent for that toilet, and we'd have to stub into there, tie into there, and go over for a P-trap. The water and stuff we can get off the sink wouldn't be a problem.
Do you think it'd be expensive to do something like that though?
Not too much, man. Not really. I mean,
what you thinking? This
I'd have to go
estimate.
home and add some numbers
Because
up.
I'm thinking like new studs, texture.
Yeah, most definitely. If we tear this down, we'd have to take this wall, take it down, try to take it apart without destroying it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And then just however much you want to add on, come over, just tie on this wall, come out, and just new studs here, new sheetrock, tape and bed, and then just run the plumbing around. And
I mean, I know you're gonna
build
give me a good
platform.
deal, but I'm just
Yeah.
thinking though, like, damn, is it if I can you think I could find something a little bit easier to work with, like? Because like I said, here I want to be able to do both of my businesses. It'll just be strictly storage, pretty much, and but I can paint here, and I'm not gonna be on gravel. Because clearly we can see dude across this way.
He's painting
like a motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
And
Dude.
code ain't coming out here. You know what I mean? I ain't got to worry about code compliance.
Mm-hmm.
White settlement, I'm going to have to worry about white settlement police, Fort Worth police, plus Tarrant County sheriffs, plus code compliance. Like this.
Yeah.
Here, I know I deal with Johnson County.
Studs, sheetrock, paint, tape and bed, plumbing. You're probably looking. I mean, me just throwing a number out. I'm gonna throw high. I would say about $4,000,
Mm-hmm.
and that's just being high. You know what I'm saying? Because sheetrock, you're getting at $4 probably, or was it $11 a sheet, $10 a sheet? And there's two of them. We wouldn't need much sheetrock.
So
I mean,
right now,
how far you want to come out? Just
that's what I'm
enough for a
thinking. Though
shower?
I can't do no compromise on the bathroom.
Yeah, you want to come out what? Just enough for a shower, 3 feet? Or you want to come out more than that? How
Just
far you
3.
want to come
I would
out?
like to just do this enough
Mhm.
just to have the shower
Just a
enclosed
shower and
in
club.
there.
So I would just do a 36-inch shower pan. Yeah. We could even add you a little pantry in there too,
Okay.
on the end of the shower. You know what I'm saying? Because the shower ain't gonna be no 6 foot long. You know, be pointless having a 6 foot long shower.
Okay.
So we just do like a 36 by 4 foot, or even a 5 foot, and then we can put you a little pantry on the end. That way you can put towels and
How
washcloths and
long you
stuff
think
in
it'll
there.
take to do that? Because I'm trying to have a whole
Um,
idea how soon I can get everything done and have a real good budget. Because man, I hate that I'm leaving my shop. My landlord been
mhm.
really good to me. You know what I mean? And I'm like, I need to make sure I got all my ducks in a row. I'm really still sold in that white settlement shop right now, but
I'd
I'm
say
gonna look at
two
the other
weeks.
one. 2 weeks.
Yeah, the longest.
hmm Because I could pay my deposit here still.
Hmm.
I want to make sure everything ready for me before I bring the cars and the compressor.
Yeah.
Because that move gonna be a hell of a move.
Hmm.
Gonna move a lot of heavy shit, tow trucks. It's gonna require a team. I could do my 80% of my move, but
Hmm. Do you want that staircase still?
yeah, I would like to keep it.
Okay, we just have to
Or we
move
just
it.
redo it, make it
We'll
more
take it
safe.
off, and just when we add out to the room, we'll
Because I'm
just
thinking though, like
build
I
it
have
back.
right now, I currently have Monte Carlo. I would do probably Monte Carlo and Mustang in here, the two 4 wheelers, the compressor, and that'd be pretty much all I'll need in here.
Hmm.
And then I won't be able to get the dually in, I don't think. What you think?
I don't know, man. I don't know how to wire your dually is. It should, be honest with you, it should go through.
Yeah.
I mean, because
It's not as short as I thought it
lanes
was, but
lanes are 9 foot wide on a road, 9 foot wide. So your dually fits in the lane.
okay.
So at least, and that's a 10 foot, 4 doors. So it should fit through there. It's
How
gonna be
many,
a
how many
tight
square feet you
piece.
think we're looking at right here though?
Oh shit, I'd have to measure it out. To be honest with you, I don't know. Because you even got upstairs. Because once we move that, you can still use that all up there.
Yeah,
And
and that's
even if
good
you
for
want to put
storage.
your compressor up there, you could put it up there. As long as you put it on some rubber feet, that way it ain't vibrating every damn thing on you.
Yeah. Is epoxy more expensive than the flooring? Than the flooring you was talking about?
Um,
I know it's gonna be hell of expensive to do
yeah.
the square footage, all
You,
epoxy.
I don't know if you'd want that click floor in here. Certainly when you're painting.
No, but I'm talking about with epoxy.
Oh,
The
the
thing is though,
epoxy?
with the clear coat actually disturbs the epoxy. Like it'll reactivate the clear.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's hot in the bitch, man. But we finna go. I'm write these numbers down. I want to say shout out to my partner David, man, for coming through. But y'all stay tuned. I got other locations to look at, so I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna go. Y'all just stay tuned. Man, these some new buildings. West Loop over here in White Settlement. I like these a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can talk to the manager though. Whew. Yeah, I seen a lot of them for lease, like smaller fronts up there. Then it's probably the back of those units. Telling if you're gonna see. Man, this the office. Man, I should have recorded it.
Sorry, I can turn it back on.
Nah, it's cool. This is for my Snapchat. Yep. I'm just constantly creating content, man. But yeah, this is nice. Got the splitter in here already. Nice bathroom. It's handicap accessible too, huh?
Yes, sir.
I can kind of tell because all the rails and everything, so that's good. All right. I think I've seen what I need to see. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take a couple pictures and stuff. So okay, because I was looking at it on the pictures and I was trying to see what it, now I can see it. Okay. It's nice though. Let me take this